Okay, let's go ahead and talk about layer 3 connectivity and a special feature in Tosibox that is most often used, which is called one-to-one NAT. One-to-one NAT is the ability for the Tosibox lock to portray a different set of addresses to the physical addresses that are part of the operational network. You would use this in the case where you might have multiple pieces of identical equipment, multiple identical, say, lift stations or pump stations for water, wastewater, you name it. And while they may be built identically and have the same physical network IP range, you might want different IP ranges for each one of those so that they can participate in a larger overall infrastructure simultaneously. You might want to engage those devices from a remote access standpoint simultaneously. You might want to be able to collect data back to a historian or a SCADA system simultaneously, much like we're doing through the Tosibox VCL. So what I've done, if you look in my third device right here, I've connected directly to the NetLab Lock 500, and it's engaged in one-to-one NAT. You'll notice here in my IP scheme, the physical address is 192.167.202.51. That's for the energy monitor just adjacent to the lock, and address 202.20 for the pump station PLC on the far side. All right, but look at the IP address in the front, 11.1.1.20, 11.1.1.51. I assigned a range, okay? I assigned a range of 11.1.1.1 for this network. If I had another network identical to this I want to bring online, I could make that range 11.1.2. And then it would have addresses 2.20 and 2.51. I could have 11.1.3 with addresses 2 and 51, and so on and so forth. So now I could have tens, hundreds, or thousands of an identical network all communicating simultaneously at a layer 3 level for any of those OT applications such as data, remote access, monitoring, you name it.